Hello everyone, welcome back to Charisma. Got a bangle with you? Let's make a dream catcher. You will need something to wrap the bangle with. You can use ribbon, fabric, wool, cord, or even laces. I'm using wool here. You will also need some glue. Put some glue on the inner side of the bangle and stick the end of the wool to it. Move the wool around the bangle and cover it all. I'm gently gathering the wool next to each other. Keep going this way until you are done. This is how it will look once all wrapped. Take the same wool, pass it through a needle, and also some pearls or crystal, whatever you prefer. I have some small pearls here. Tie one end of the wool onto the bangle. Tie 2-3 knots to secure it. And seal it with some clear nail paint, or you may also use some clear glue as well. Once the nail paint is dried, take one bead, pull it all the way to the bangle and we'll start weaving. Hold the bangle like this and pass the needle from outside of the bangle so that it would make a knot. Same way, we are repeating this step and will cover the entire circumference of the bangle. Time to weave the web. I'm making knots the same way we did earlier for the pearls. The only difference here is that we will be maintaining some gap. Here approximately the gap of 4 pearls. One, two, three, 4. Repeat this all around the bangle to make the first layer of the web. We have completed the first layer. Now we will follow the exact same way of knotting, but this time we will catch the first layer of the wool instead of the bangle itself. Keep in mind that the knot should be made at the middle of each strand. That's it. Repeat it till you reach the center. When you reach the center, give your wool a tight pull, and at the end, pass a pearl and tie knots to secure it. Put some nail paint and cut off the excess. Let's add some feather now. Here I have few artificial feathers. Using a glue gun, I am attaching it to the wool. You can also use school glue or any normal glue. It's just that glue gun makes the things move faster. At this point, I am passing on a pearl to it. Adding a few more and using my glue gun to hold them at place. Feathers are ready. Add them to the web and your cute little dream catcher is ready. If you like this tutorial, be sure to hit the like button. Drop me a comment for any suggestions, thoughts or compliments. If you're new here, I would love to see you subscribed. See you in the next video. Take care.